up, guys? Welcome back to episode 20, Huddle on the Hilltop. I'm your host, TJ Power. This week we got girls softball with us. First time on the podcast. We got Charlotte Constantine, Elise Siciliano, and Jess Pistorino. Guys, how we doing?
Good. Pretty good.
Ready to go?
Oh, yeah.
Great start to the season, huh?
Yeah.
Good. All right, so listen. If you didn't know, our girls softball team's off to a 6-2 start, 5-0 in league play. So how have you been able to get out to that hot start, and what's going right for you guys?
I can start. I think we've done really well on coming back during games. Like I think like 3 of our games we were down, and it was like maybe like late in the game, like 6th or 7th, but we've been doing really well being able to string hits together like last minute and like kind of just getting those go-ahead runs.
Yeah, we kind of have trouble getting the bats going, like at the beginnings of the game. And then it usually comes, but we do good in the defense, like making sure we have no errors and things like that.
Yeah. When we don't make a lot of errors, like we might not like always hit so great, but then like bottom of the 6th inning, we're like, okay, like let's everyone hit. We score like 7 runs.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
Yeah. When it counts, we're there.
Yep.
We're ready to
Yeah.
go.
That's all you need.
Yeah.
Honestly. So Coach Bolden obviously is the head coach. What's he like? How does he run his practices, and what's the word on game day?
He's very enthusiastic. He's really like motivated, and he wants to do really well this season, and he's always telling us that. So I just think it's nice because he's also free and easy, and he doesn't really put a lot of pressure on us, but also he really wants to win. So he kind of gets us motivated.
It's like a good balance. He knows how to like keep it fun, like keep everyone happy, but like also like when it comes time to like the game, knows what to do.
They sit up to the team for some motivation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coach Bolden, what a guy.
Stand-up guy.
All right, so looking forward to this weekend. We got a game Saturday against BB&N at home at 11. Already played them once this year, right? Or no?
No.
All right, so first time playing them. What do we have to do to beat them?
I think we should just get on them early, like
Yeah.
something we struggled with, but just start getting the hits and like not have to battle our way back.
It would be nice if we started getting hits like earlier in the game because like we're like, all right guys, like come on. So if we just like keep it going and once we break it open, like we just keep hitting. Like we don't stop.
I mean,
That's all you need.
once
Just that
the
first
flood
hit,
wall breaks,
and the floodgates are open.
oh
That's
my
it.
God.
They don't stop.
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
Same thing, Elise. Just get on them early.
Yeah, we played them last year, and we did really well against them. So I just think we can't go in thinking they're going to be a pushover team. We just got to start out strong right off the bat.
Yeah, like anything can happen. The team we played yesterday, last year we lost to like 13-1, but then this year we beat them 5-0, and that's like the same scenario for BB&N, but like flip-flopped.
And that's sport.
True that.
So kind of similar to that. What are your goals and expectations for the rest of the season? What are we looking to do?
Just I think we want to just like have a name for like Worcester Academy softball. Like, cause I don't really think many people know about it. So like if we keep up like good league play, maybe.
Put it on the map.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, that's ball on the map. Let's do it.
S-ball.
You guys
Yeah.
gotta pop out the New Balance Saturday.
Saturday, 11 a.m.
S-ball's here. You guys, expectations for the season, goals?
I think we just need to keep doing what we're doing and just be like loud on the field. I think that's worked really well for us. Whenever we have like a really good hitting inning, it's always because like everybody's talking, everybody's loud, and it's just something like I like to focus on. Like in the field, like I never stop talking. Like I'm sure Jess like hears me because she's at third, but like my mouth like doesn't stop. So
I love it.
so just keeping that energy.
Yeah, keep that energy. I like it.
All about the energy.
All right, so as you know, every week we play a game on the podcast. It's episode 20. We're trying to get creative. So this week, me and Nate blew up some balloons. We have them in the corner, and we're going to do a little balloon Olympics. So stay tuned. All right, so first up, we have how many can you keep up? Individual, yeah, I just came up with that name on the spot. Individual versions. So every 5 seconds, Charlotte's going to start with one balloon. Every 5 seconds, we're going to add another balloon and see how many she can keep up total.
All right, let's go.
Charlotte, I'll start you off. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Here we go. Almost. Really
All
tricky
right.
the first round. All right,
Off to a
second
good
balloon
start.
coming. Third balloon, in play.
No.
Fourth balloon is in play. Okay, so she got 3, right? Next up we have Elise. All right, Elise, your time starts now. Really nerve-wracking stuff right here. All right, second balloon, in play. You gotta keep them close. Third balloon, in play. Oh no. Fourth balloon, she just has to get this.
Oh my God.
Next up we have Jess Pistorino. All right, Jess, your time starts now. Oh, whoa. All right, second balloon, in play. Oh wow, she's already struggling. Third balloon.
What the heck?
Fourth balloon. Wait, over there. Oh my God. All right, we're back. Here we got the group edition. So same concept. I'm gonna add one every 5 seconds. They didn't do very well in the individual.
All right.
We'll see how we do here in the group. All right, at least starting us off. All right, ready? Go.
Cookies?
They're really tricky, this first one. All right, second balloon is in play. After I do this one, you can go. Third balloon, in play. Hold on, Meg. All right, Meg, send it in. Fourth balloon, in play. Fifth balloon, in play. Here we go. Sixth balloon, send it in. No, what's this one? Seventh balloon. Oh, okay, we're done. Here we go, take 2. Just because that was very funny. We're gonna see if they can get more than 6. All right, go ahead, Elise. Start us
Guys, I
off.
ful like I don't want 2 balloons.
This is tricky.
No, but we're all eventually gonna need.
Oh,
Second
I know,
balloon,
but I don't want to
in
start
play.
with the 2.
Third balloon, yeah, communication's key. Hold on, Meg. And go ahead, Meg. Fourth balloon, coming in.
I got that one.
All right, fifth balloon. Go ahead, Meg, send it in. Sixth balloon, here we go. Let's talk. Seventh balloon, right here. Seventh balloon. Charlie's just got 2. Eighth balloon, go, Meg. Oh, they're doing good.
No.
Ninth balloon, right here. Right here. Oh. All right, that's 8, right?
Improved, guys.
All right, next up we got the balloon layup challenge. So each of them are gonna go once and see if they can make a layup. If they make it, they're good. But if they miss, they rotate and they just keep going. So who's going first? Here we go. Elise is up first. All right, rotate now. Jess, let's go. Run it, Jess. Let's go. Oh! Foul play. And 1. Oh!
Okay.
Balloon switch. Tactical. Do whatever you gotta do. Oh! Can we top that? Brutal.
Just please.
Oh!
All right, if anyone's going to do this, Jess,
Here we go. Oh!
really good, Charlie.
Okay.
I think we need a floater.
Dude, why?
9 attempt. Here we go. Balloon switch from Jess.
I'm switching balloons.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
All right, so Jess got one stuck. So we're allowed her to shoot another one and see if either of them go in. Because we're desperate.
We have a winner. We have a winner. All right, next up we got the long throw challenge. They all have a balloon and whoever throws it the furthest wins. I'm interested to see what happens in this round. All right, first up we got Elise. Here we go.
Let's go, geese.
Wow. That's a bomb.
Wow, the distance.
Right next to the white line.
Love it. Here we go, Jess. Big competition here. Oh my God! By a landslide. Here we go. Oh no.
That was something.
Wind resistance? I think not. All right, next up we got the balloon drop challenge. All 3 contestants will be competing in this event. Up top we got Jess, who will be dropping the balloons. Charlotte down below, she will be having her eyes closed, and Elise will be directing her to see if she can get the balloon in the bucket.
Attempt number 1. Balloon drop.
Some good direction. Off the head. Oh.
Number 2, we have Elise with the bucket. Charlotte directing her. Go ahead, Jess.
A good drop
Balloon's
from
off.
Jess.
Other 4.
Oh my.
Attempt number 2. Go ahead, Jess. The balloon is dropped.
Another good drop.
There it is.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah!
That's the one. Let's go. Here we go. New dropper, Elise. Let's see what she's got. Good drop. Good drop. Oh. Balloon has been dropped. Jess, attempt 2. Oh.
Let's go, Jess.
All right. This is
All right,
it.
left, and forward.
Decent drop. Tough round. We felt a little bad for Jess in her last attempt, so we're going to give her one last try. This is the final attempt. Here we go.
All right. Forward,
Balloon is dropped.
forward,
Here we go.
back, left,
And
left,
balloon has been
left. Oh,
dropped. That's
All right, our final game. We're back here at the desk, and we have draw your partner's face on a balloon challenge. So basically, they have a minute to draw the person to the right of them. So Charlotte, Elise, Jess will draw Charlotte, and we'll see who has the best artist skills on the balloon. Ready? A minute starts now. The balloon is the face. Why do you draw a circle?
hey, some people got different tactics than others.
A minute might be too long.
A minute is
Already 20. Already 20.
Jess doesn't even have nose in her mouth yet, so hold on.
Look at them looking at each other. Oh, that's really good, Charlotte. Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay, mine's actually not that bad.
Neither is mine. Mine is really
What can the judge have?
Charlotte's really good. Elise, you get a haircut? What is that?
sorry.
Oh my god. All right, 5 seconds.
Uh-oh, Jess, we got some work to do.
4, 3, 2,
No, I like it.
1.
Marker's down.
Marker's down.
Marker's down.
That's it. All right.
All right, Charlotte, so you drew Elise. Let's see it. Talk to us a little bit about why you did what. And
I was doing the ponytail because, you know.
just turn them to the camera a little.
Sorry.
Yeah.
The ears were a little bit big. Sorry, kids. Other than that,
It's cool.
I think it's pretty, yeah.
All right, let's just do the side by side. Okay, hold on. All right, Elise drew Jess. Let's see it.
Yeah, forgot some stuff.
Oh, wow.
But
No
I
pupils.
feel like I did. I feel like I did her hair pretty well. Like
Yeah.
the
Yeah,
waves,
yeah.
the
Wavy.
waves. Yeah.
The teeth are really good, too.
Yeah.
She is always smiling.
I always knew Jess had dentures. All right, let's get a side by side really quick. All right, Jess, you drew Charlotte. Let's see it. Oh, wow.
I did watch this one live time, and I do appreciate the
Oh, my
addition
God.
of earrings.
Yeah, and the earrings.
Okay, let me explain my work.
So she used the balloon as the head, which is what I expected.
Yeah. So the balloon is the base, obviously. Her hair today, it was
Yeah.
a little mixture, wave, curls, so I didn't really know
Yeah,
where to
yeah,
take it, so like I did it there.
All right.
I noticed she was wearing dangly earrings,
Okay.
so there and there.
Good
The
observation.
ears are a little lopsided, a little off.
It's all right, you know.
But it's fine, it's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah,
look,
pretty good.
no, don't smile. Close your mouth.
All right, so that was the first ever Balloon Olympics. Let's clap it
Clap
up.
it up.
a lot of energy, a lot of fun.
Some improvements to be made in the games.
Honestly, I have
Hey.
no idea who won.
On our side.
I'm pretty sure Jess won a couple competitions, and the other ones were like even. So I think Jess probably the winner
Yeah,
today.
good competition.
of the
Clap it up
first
for
round.
Jess.
Thanks,
Well
guys.
done.
Thanks.
Congratulations.
Nate, you want to lead us out today?
Yeah, so thanks for joining us for episode 20 of Huddle on the Hilltop. Good luck to you guys this weekend against BB&N on Saturday, 11, New Balance Fields in Worcester. And we'll see you next week.